In today's video, I am going to teach you how to attach an email to another email in Outlook. This is a simple skill that can save time when you need to share full message threads, preserve headers, or pass along an email exactly as it was received. I'll walk you through two reliable methods, the quick drag and drop approach and the built-in forward as attachment option. Use whichever feels most natural for the way you work. First up is drag and drop. The easiest method. Start by composing a new message, or reply or forward an existing one. It helps to arrange your windows so the new message is visible next to your Outlook inbox. If you are using a separate compose window, place it side by side with your inbox for a clear view. Now, in your inbox, click and hold the email you want to attach. While holding the mouse button, drag that email right into the body of your new message. When you release the mouse, Outlook attaches the selected email to your draft. You'll see it appear as a file, often with an envelope icon and the original subject as the file name. This keeps the content intact, including the formatting and most metadata, making it ideal when you need to preserve the original message for context or records. The second method is forward as attachment, which is great when you are already viewing the message you want to attach. Open that email first. Then, in the new Outlook window, click the three dots to open more actions, or use the right FaceClick menu. Under Other Reply Options, choose Forward as Attachment. Outlook will open a new draft automatically with the original email attached. From there, add your recipients, include any notes or instructions in the message body, and send. This method is particularly helpful when you want to be certain the original email is included in full, exactly as it was received, without manually handling multiple windows. That's all you need to attach an email to another email in Outlook, quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching.